Place the components on the ground according to their positions for connection. Connect the center pillar. Raise the connector and face upright. Hang one end of the small beam to the interface. Install the other end with a support rod. Install scissor braces and secure with screws. Install the hanging cloth pole. Install the top cloth using ropes. Several people collaborate to push and pull simultaneously.